In this video, we take a look at the wide range of possibilities of the Triggre page editor. We start with an empty user flow, which we will name Project Tasks. In this user flow, we will make a page that displays a list of projects. When you select a project, we will show, on the same page but in a different list, tasks of the selected project. By default, the page editor shows a template with only a single block. We can change this, however, by clicking the style icon in the lower right corner. Now we can choose different page templates. For our page, we choose 2, divided in 33 and 66%. We can now add content in 2 places. We start by adding a table to the left side containing projects. We choose whole block now because we would like the table to fill the entire block. Then we choose to add a table. In the table, we will show data directly from the warehouse, so we choose data from a data item and then project. We want to see all projects in our list, so we choose Show All Data. Now we can choose the columns for the table, rename and sort them. Our table has now been added to the left part of the page. Let's do the right part now. In the right part of the page, we want to show the name of the selected project and the tasks in the project. To do so, we choose Stacked Content. Using stacked content, we can put several different types of content in a single block. We start with a text block to display the project name. We are going to show the project name as a title by choosing heading 1 as the format. Next, we choose to add a placeholder. Triggre shows us the available options for the current page. Under the page, we see that we can use the data in the left part of the page, a table. From this table, we choose the project name. Our text field is now done. We see our text on the page. Underneath this text, we will add more content. To show a list of tasks, we choose a table again. This time, we want to show data that is available on the page instead of directly from the warehouse. So we choose Data from User Flow. Again, we can choose to show data from the page. In this case, we choose the projects of the task that is selected on the left part of the page. Now we choose which properties of the tasks we want to show in our table. We can also rename and sort them. The last step is the number of lines to show. Because this table is part of a stacked content block, cannot fill the entire page. Therefore, we have to indicate how high the table is by default, expressed in the number of items that can maximally be seen at the same time. Are there more items? Then the user can simply scroll the table. Our page is now done.